back to the channel. Let's check Superb Patch website is a legit or a scam. Guys, please note, as this website is not held by us, we are working as a volunteer to give you the unbiased review of legit and scams. This is the homepage of the website, which contains some of the pictures related to patches. Photo patches design yours. These are some of the patches on the home screen of the website. These patches gives a new look to your attire. Now quickly check the other navigations like contact us. In the contact us section, you can check it out. They had asked you for the personal details like your name, your email address, the message you are asked to for the further inquiry, and after that you have to hit the submit button. Now these are some of the question also which is asked by others customer, so you can review that before making your purchase possible. Now let's check the privacy policy of the website. You can check the URL at the top of the page, which contains some of the information related to the website before make your purchase possible. What personal data we collect and why we collect it, they had shown on this page. Media, contact form, cookies, there are so many details related to your information. You can check it out. Now let's check the terms and conditions. In the terms and condition page, you can check there are some related legal things you can hold on this page. There are some other URL also related to the contact us information. You can also check this email address they had mentioned. Now moving to the refund policy and delivery too. They had mentioned 5 days after the payment, unless post office are closed due to the weekend or holiday, then we will pack your item and we will be the first in the line of ship your item the next day they are open. They had also mentioned the delivery time can take up to 1 month, despite that 99% of the time packets arrive within 20 days. This is something very important, you should note it up. If you do not receive your item after 30 days, please contact us. We will contact our local post office to check on shipment status. Post office will send investigation case to the destination of the packet and should get reply in 2 weeks. If you still haven't received your item within 2 weeks after the investigation, we will refund you in full. Now moving to the about us page. In this they had shown you that how old this website is, their business is. Now concluding to the video, I will not recommend you to buy from this website as it not seems like a legit, because some of the information related to the contact us, which is primary concern for the customers, which is not found on this page, is authentic. So I will not recommend you to buy from this website, as you can buy a scam. If you find this video informative, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your experience, please comment below. If you want a legit and a scam video like this, kindly give a hit like or a hit button to get more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.